So we are talking about a Matlab. In Matlab, we are discuss about a various thing. Now we are discuss a linear algebra. In the Matlab matrices in the Matlab environment, that we have to use a basic metric calculations in a Matlab. Here we have to taking a matrix to determine a variable containing real or complex number that should be arranged in two-dimensional grids. Fine. So we are using some formulas like A is equal to. So we have to write here in a common window A is equal to Pascal, that is 3. Fine. So this is a this has been a many function that create a different kind of matrices. For example, we are creating a symmetric matrix with the entries based on a Pascal triangle. This is said to be a Pascal triangle. So if we are writing here, or you can create an unsymmetric magic square matrix also, like B is equal to magic, that is your 3. So answer should be like something this way. Fine. So this is a 3 by 2 rectangular matrix of random integer in the case if you need. So you have to write C is equal to in a bracket 10, 3, 2. What we would like to do that we are not mentioned here. So we have to mention like R, A, and D, I. So this is the first input to randomize. We have to describe the range of possible value of the integer. So second to input describe the number of rows and columns. So 3 to describe the rows and columns. So we are writing here, this is a this way we are getting answer. So in a vector, if we need a m by n, so we are using here like as u is equal to bracket 3 colon 1 4. So we are close it. Then we have to use this way presented b is equal to, we are writing 2 space 0 space minus 1. So it should be appear in this form. Fine. So we need s is equal to 7, right? So we are writing all these factors. So for information about creating a working, we have to create a creating, concatenating, expanding matrix. Suppose we are writing here x is equal to a plus b. So answer should be this one. So we have already mentioned the value of a as well as b. So we need y is equal to x minus a. Right. So answer should be like this one. So if we are using an array, so we are specify it in this way. So in a vector, we use some transpose matrix pose. So we need some transpose, we need some familiar multiplied a product, required result in our product. So we are writing u is equal to suppose that is a 4 1 5. Fine. So we are writing here that is a we are closing it. So we are writing v is equal to that, again we are starting a brace 2 0 minus 1. Fine. So we are close it this way. Then we are writing s sorry x is equal to, we are using here v multiplied by u. So what is the answer of v multiplied by u here? So we are mentioning 415 in a u, 20 minus 1 in a v. So answer should be like this one. This is the answer of x. Fine. So if we need x, that should be in a capital. We are writing here u multiplied by v. So it is in this format. Fine. So we are using, suppose we need some number. Example, we need a is equal to Pascal 3. So a is equal to Pascal 3. Fine. So answer is this one. So similarly, we need a b is equal to magic of 3. So answer should be like this one. If we write a x is equal to b transpose, so what is the answer? It should be like this one. Fine. So you see here, there we are writing a 816. In this way, we are writing here 816 in downwards. So similarly, if we writing x is equal to b dash, it is appeared in this format. So x and y are both real column vector, then the product of x into y is not defined. But the two product x dash So we are writing here that is x is equal to x. So x is equal to, we are writing here that is a transpose matrix. So x dash multiplied by y. Then what is the product answer? So we are defining x multiplied by y is not defined. So both real column vectors are there. So we are writing in this format. So we have to use some transpose matrix. We are using some magic number. We are using a Pascal. So we are discussed here in this format. For example, if we are writing A is equal to, suppose we need CLC clearance. I'm writing A is equal to, that should be a Pascal 3. Fine. So there we are, it's not closing. That should be a Pascal 3, like this one. So similarly, we are writing B is equal to magic 3. Fine. So we are writing M is equal to 3 and N is equal to 3. So we are using for loop for I is equal to 1 till up to M, for J is equal to 1 is to N, for C I comma J is equal to A I comma multiply by B I comma J. So what is the answer? So we have to stop and first for loop and second for loop. So you see it is you see here in your right side, the answer should be in this format. So what is x, what is y, what is a, what is b, it's automatically appearing, right? So we are writing, suppose we are writing here x is equal to a multiplied by b. So the answer should be this way. Similarly, we are writing y is equal to b multiplied by a. The answer should be appear in this way. So we are say here a multiplied by b is never equal to b multiplied by e. So you see the answer should not be similar. The first row show 15, 15. Here we are see 15, 28, 47. So ये हमें clear हो जाता है यहाँ से. So next we are writing a u is equal to 3 colon 1 colon 4. Right. So we are close it. Now we are writing x is equal to a multiplied by u. So answer should be, we are taking a 3, 1, 4. So answer should appear 18, 17, 30. Okay. So similarly, if we are taking a y is equal to v multiplied by b. So what is a b? The most important part is b. b is 816, 357, 492. So we are multiplying by v. v for victory. It's a 2, 0, minus 1. So answer should be 12, minus 7 or 10. Okay. So I think it is clear to everyone. So it's a very simple way through which you are calculating. Fine. So automatically the Matlab is helping for calculation. Suppose we are writing a multiplied by c. So answer should be appear like this one. Fine. So there is a number of matrix. Even an inverse is also there. For example, if we are writing a is equal to, then again we are writing a Pascal 3. Fine. So if we are closing, it's stopped. So if we are not closing, the answer should be appeared in this way. So if we are writing x is equal to inverse of a. So inverse of a, it is already appeared. अब देखो inverse कर रहा हूं मैं a का, तो answer is 3. If we are writing a multiplied by x, what is the answer? So answer should be, that is this one. Fine. So this is a way through which we are calculating. If we are at D is equal to that A, the answer should be 1. So why this is said to be a determinant of A? A multiplied by X, the determinant is 1. Automatically you can calculate. Okay? So there is a one knockers transfer tensor product is also there. So we have to use it like we have mentioned what we are doing, like X is equal to we are taking. So we are taking in this format also. So we are discuss this thing in an upcoming lecture. Okay. Thank you. If you face any problem, send me a message.